Remove the jet pressure unit from its hard case and place it on a flat, stable surface. Place your jet logger close to the jet pressure unit. Open the lid of the jet logger and take out the cable inside. Plug the cable from the jet logger into the port on the jet pressure unit. For pressure sensor calibration, which should be performed whenever you are in a new location, hold down both buttons on the jet pressure unit, then press the jet logger power button located just above the battery and close the lid. The green LED light on the jet logger should now be illuminated. Attach the SEN connector to the jet pressure unit. Connect the duct to the adapter. Connect the air supply to the SEN connector. Stop the airflow in the duct with an end plug at the other end. Open the pressure valve to fill the duct with air. Enter the position data and pipe parameters. Close the air pressure valve to stop the airflow. Press reset on the jet pressure unit before clicking start session in the jet logger. Jet pressure is measuring the pressure, and everything appears to be fine as it forms a straight line. If there is an issue with the pressure, the line will not appear straight. When the measurement is complete, save your log and review the data. We wish you success with your jet pressure. If you have any questions, please contact your local jetting distributor. Jetting. Dare to do it differently.